Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you enjoyed the roller coaster ride. The reason I am saying roller coaster ride is because the Nifty behaved today. It was simply very much volatile. From 15,800 we came all the way down to 15,600 in just first 20 minutes of today's trading session. The main reason was there was some news that NSDL is freezing three foreign portfolio investors of Adani Group. Then they came out and told that this was not correct or this was some rumors. Then we saw Nifty recovering from 15,600 to all the way to 15,800. Now we came from 15,800 to 15,600 in the first 20 minutes and after that the whole day the Nifty was in the process of recovering the losses, right? So we saw a V-shaped recovery today. So this literally means, what this says is that every dip is being bought into. If you see in a candlestick perspective, this is called a hanging man. So hanging man appears whenever there is a dip and people are pushing, the bulls are pushing the market on the upside. So that's what we observed today. So we have been telling in past 3 or 4 trading sessions that the markets are firmly in the bull, firmly in the hands of bull, and we stand by that today also. So going forward, we are just around 30 or 40 points away from our lifetime high. Our previous lifetime high was around 15,840 or 35 levels. We closed the session today at 15,810 levels. So another 30 or 40 points is not a big deal. So maybe tomorrow or day after or in this week we should see Nifty touching all-time high. So that's what we have observed today. Let's see the charts, what it is saying. Yeah, we were telling that previously we were telling that 15,700 is a crucial support, and actually today morning Nifty had broken this support level and came all the way to 15,600, right? But the minute it tested the 15,700, it had a smart recovery, and in fact around 11 o'clock it tried to breach the 15,700 levels again, but bulls were not very strong and it took the market towards 15,809. We have talked about this earlier trading session also. So whoever had been shorting or who sold puts in the 15,600 or 15,600 or even 15,500 levels would have run for cover today, and that could be one main reason for this recovery. Anyway, Adani Port came out with a report that this is just rumors, right? So we had a good and positive recovery, and of course there was some support from global cues as well. So European markets were in the green and even US futures were trading in the green. So that was also a support for the Indian market, so we could go on the upper side. So we are firmly, as we told, we are firmly in the bull's hand, so we should touch in the coming future, in the short future. That's what I was trying to say. And there was support from Reliance Industry. Today's recovery also was Reliance Industry also supported today's recovery, and Bank Nifty was all the Bank Nifty stock were mixed, so we had a mixed price action in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty was not supporting today's V-shaped recovery in the Nifty, right? So that's about the graph, and there is as I told you, every dip is being bought into and we should be seeing a bull run. In case the market is on the downside, there is a good support at around 15,000 levels and 15,500 levels. Yeah, this level 15,500 levels. So we should be seeing good support at 15,500 levels. So for this week's range, I would say we are in the range of around 15,500 to 16,000. So in case if you want to trade, you can trade either 16,000 you can sell as an option seller. You can sell 16,000 or 15,500, and of course there is a strong disclaimer, so you have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. And if you see the Nifty chart, open interest, there is a good amount of open interest put writing in 15,700. So that's what the chart is also saying. That's what the hanging man is also saying, right? Candlestick pattern. So every dip is bought into. So people have returned. People are bullish in the market and they anticipate that the market could go up. So they have returned a good amount of 15,700 call. On Friday, if you see our video, this was not the scenario. There was good amount of call writing in 15,800, 15,900 and 16,000 level. But today only says that the market, the people, market movers are willing to take the market on the upside, right? So let's see what Bank Nifty says. As we told, there is no support from Bank Nifty. There is a good resistance in Bank Nifty at around 35,000 levels. Still people believe that Bank Nifty is like it is not performing. It is underperforming. What performance Nifty is showing, we are not seeing that performance in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, there is a good support in 35,000 levels. So still people, and even today people are writing calls in 35,000 levels. So they believe market will not go on the upside. That's why they are writing 35,000 call, right? And there is a good amount of call writing in 35,500 levels and 6,000 levels. So overall picture, if you see that Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty is somewhat of laggard or somewhat of not supporting this bullish move. If we get support from Bank Nifty, we might see a new all-time high. That's what I observe from this overall price action and OI data. And let's see going forward. Hopefully, I believe Nifty should be touching lifetime high, which is more than 15,835 in the coming trading sessions or the next trading session. I firmly believe that Nifty should touch all-time high in coming days. And we are not stock specific, so we talk on or we present on a general note. So we talk general things, right? So maybe in the future we will talk about any specific stock or any other stocks, or maybe we will. I'm not sure. Like I am not an investor. I am just an F&O trader, and particularly specifically speaking, I am an option seller. So you cannot expect you cannot expect me to tell good things about stocks, right? And if you see today, there was if you see the FIA data today, FIAs were net seller. They have sold about 503 crores, and DIAs have supported the market and they have bought for around 554 crores. So the reason for our V-shaped recovery was mainly due to the support of domestic institutional investors, right? And if you see the futures markets, US futures are trading flat, and European markets are also trading in the flat. So US futures, since the US futures are trading flat, maybe we should see the Dow and US markets also opening in the flat region. So if we get a support from our global partners, mother market, which is the US market, maybe we will have there are chances that we may touch our lifetime high sooner or later. So that's it for today. Take care and goodbye. Thanks for watching.